Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crossy Road on your Samsung TV. First, make sure your Android device, like a smartphone or tablet, is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Samsung television. It's also important that your Samsung TV supports screen mirroring or Smart View. Finally, download the popular Crossy Road game onto your Android device from its App Store. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Next, let's activate screen mirroring. On your Android device, simply swipe down from the top of the screen, usually twice, to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for and tap the icon labeled Smart View or Screen Mirroring. A list of nearby devices will appear. Choose your Samsung TV from this list to establish the connection. This process typically takes only a few seconds to complete. Once your device is successfully connected, your phone's display will be mirrored directly onto your large Samsung TV screen. Now, simply open the Crossy Road game on your Android smartphone or tablet. Your phone will then act as your game controller. Tap the screen to make your character hop forward, just as you normally would. Enjoy the vibrant graphics and engaging gameplay on a much bigger display. If you encounter any issues, first check your Wi-Fi connection. A strong, stable signal is key. Also, ensure both your Samsung TV's firmware and your phone's operating system are fully updated to their latest versions. If built-in mirroring isn't working well, you might consider a third-party casting application for a more robust connection. These tips should help you resolve most common problems and enhance your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.